The market for NFTs, also known as non-fungible tokens, which are digital assets like art, video clips, or music that ownership identifies in the blockchain. This came to life in 2021. Despite some ups and downs, 3 months ago, monthly sales volume of NFTs was checking in at $59.2 million. Today, that number has reached $2.6 billion, according to trading site Non-Fungible. So how can investors play in the market without betting on single NFTs themselves? Well, in this video, I'll discuss the top 3 NFT stocks that will boom in 2022. On stockIQ, we discuss all aspects of investing in the stock market to help you become a better trader. So in return, take a few seconds and consider subscribing to the channel for more powerful investing content so you don't miss out. As dollars and cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum flow into NFTs, companies are trying to figure out how to capitalize. Sports leagues and players are dropping and creating NFTs, and artists and performers are getting in on the action as well. So here are 3 stocks you must consider. Number 1. DraftKings. DraftKings has launched an NFT marketplace primarily for athlete-related NFTs. The company has become a top name in sports gambling, so transitioning to NFTs could be a natural fit for the company. DraftKings Marketplace allows users to buy and sell collectibles. DraftKings is expected to create digital collectibles across sports, entertainment, collectibles, and culture markets, bringing a wide range of users to its platform. The marketplace is straightforward to use, even for those with little knowledge of digital collectibles. Sports cards have long been a way to buy sports-related collectibles, and DraftKings seems to be viewing NFTs in the same way. Current NFT drops look a lot like sports cards, just being a little more exclusive and greater ease of trading. And if young collectors are getting into buying NFTs rather than cards, this could be a great move for DraftKings because it's selling NFTs from athletes like Tom Brady, Rob Gronkowski, LeBron James, Usain Bolt, and so many more. DraftKings system will run on Ethereum Layer 2, which is a scaling solution to handle the increased transition load on the Ethereum network. And by the end of the year, the company expects its NFTs to be transferable to external digital wallets. If sports NFTs take off, DraftKings will surely be a winner in the market. Tell us in the comment section, will the future of sports NFTs continue to rise in 2022? We'd love to get your feedback on this topic. Number 2. Cloudfare. Cloudfare is a cloud services provider that secures and enhances the performance of the internet. It's an infrastructure play in NFTs. The company's Cloudfare Stream allows video creators to tie content to NFTs, saying it allows creators to embed their NFT claim to ownership into their video on Cloudfare Stream. The idea is to limit access to a video to those who hold an NFT. What I like about Cloudfare is that it's looking for ways to make NFTs a useful digital asset. There are myriad potential uses for NFTs beyond just selling JPEGs, so if companies start writing contracts with NFTs or tie physical asset ownership to NFTs, this could be a big market. Videos could be a foot in the door to more assets and NFT structures. Cloudfare is a great way to invest in NFTs' growing infrastructure needs. Given the company's history of innovation on the edge of the cloud, this could be a big winner long term. Number 3. eBay. One of the original internet marketplaces, eBay is also taking its crack at NFTs. The company allows the sale of some NFTs on its traditional online platform, but that may just be the start if it opens up to cryptocurrencies and other digital assets. Now, eBay is taking a bit of a different approach to NFTs from some of its rivals. The company is still focused on dollar sales rather than relying on a cryptocurrency, which is used in most NFT transactions on OpenSea. Accepting standard currency could make an eBay NFT more accessible to the masses than a cryptocurrency-focused NFT platform. A legacy company like eBay may not be an ideal place for disruptive NFT sales, but as we see the cryptocurrency market go through wild volatility, there may be a need for some kind of stabilizing force. eBay could be a natural buyer and a highly liquid one, especially if the crypto and NFT market goes through a big panic. Like it or not, NFTs are here to stay. I don't think the ride for investors will be easy, but NFTs probably will continue growing in the years to come, following alongside cryptocurrency. Digital goods have been growing in popularity for years, and I think that will only continue as the use of digital platforms for communication and productivity increases. Not every company will win in a world of NFTs, but DraftKings, Cloudfare, and eBay have a good shot at building a niche in the NFT market. Now, we hope you found this content valuable. If you did, take a few seconds and drop a like down below for the video, and consider subscribing for more stock market updates, and turn on the bell for notifications so you don't miss out. So with that said, stay blessed, friends, and we'll see you guys in the next video.